In this lecture, we will study about the important practical points. For large distances, we generally use astronomical unit, light year, and parsec. Astronomical unit is the average distance of the center of the sun from the center of the earth. One astronomical unit is 1.496 into 10 to the power 11 meter. It is a very large distance. Similarly, light year is the distance traveled by the light in vacuum in 1 year. 1 light year is 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. We can calculate this easily. We know the speed of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We'll calculate the total number of seconds in 1 year. 365.25 days, 24 hours per day, total minutes, and this is the total seconds. When we multiply speed of light and total time, we will get 9.46 into 10 to the power 15 meter. And this distance is the light year. Similarly, 1 parsec is the distance at which an arc, 1 astronomical unit, long subtends an angle of 1 second. So 1 parsec is, this is earth, this is sun, this is a distant star. This distance, as we know, is 1 astronomical unit. Angle in seconds. This angle is in seconds. And this distance is in parsec. So generally 1 parsec is 3.1 into 10 to the power 16 meter. It's a very large distance. Similarly, for small distances, we use micron, nanometer, angstrom, Fermi. 1 micron is 10 to the power minus 6 meter. This is also known as 1 micrometer. 1 nanometer is 10 to the power minus 9 meter. 1 angstrom is 10 to the power minus 10 meter. It is also written as 1 angstrom. This is the symbol of the angstrom. 1 Fermi is 10 to the power minus 15 meter. For small area, 1 barn is 10 to the power minus 28 meter square. Similarly, for heavy masses, 1 quintal is 100 kg. This is generally used in food grain shop. 1 ton is 1000 kgs. This is commonly used in large industries. 1 CSL is 1.4 times the mass of the sun. 1 CSL means Chandrasekhar limit. For small masses, we use 1 atomic mass unit, that is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg. This is a very small weight. For small time, we have 1 shake is 10 to the power minus 8 seconds. For large time, we use lunar month, solar day, sidereal day. Lunar month, it is the time taken by the moon to complete 1 rotation about its axis with respect to earth. 1 lunar month is 27.3 days. Solar day, it is the time taken by the earth to complete 1 rotation about its axis with respect to the sun. 1 solar day is 24 hours. Sidereal day, it is the time taken by the earth to complete 1 rotation about its axis with respect to a distant star. 1 sidereal day is about 23 hours, 56 minutes and 4.091 seconds. Sidereal day is generally shorter from solar day by about 4 minutes. Difference between solar day and sidereal day is only with respect to sun and with respect to distant star. For measuring pressure, we have 1 bar is 1 atm pressure is equals to 10 to the power 5 Newton per meter square, which is in turn equals to 760 mm of Hg. 1 torr is 1 mm of Hg. So these are the basic practical units which are very important.